Welcome to the Volkswagen family. You wanted a driver's car, and with your new you've got one. You chose distinctive German-engineered sedan, offering safety features and function. Once you've experienced the feel of your Jetta on the road, it's likely you'll be a Volkswagen driver for. In the next few minutes, we'll look at several found on many Jetta models. Now, sensors may be optional or unavailable on your specific.
They will win.
Down leopard, man. Talking about don't make
epidemic going on.
Well, you're
The one kind
putting it towards that.
Tense creates
Dan. Jaguar ad.
Baby doll, there is nothing I want more than to make your dreams come true.
When everything's locked on your vehicle, flashing red light on the driver's door sill. When everything's locked, This is your key to receive 2 full head to the good times at we receive 2 full head. Your key to the good times master key. Which operate all locks and the anti-NASCAR alarm system. To fold out the lock all of Jetta's doors and the alarm.
When you said you felt so happy you could die, told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely and you'll come.
Whose talents are for things like cooking or magic.
Like you, Twilight, and you know a ton of magic.
Oh, Spike, stop. I'm sure there are lots of ponies right.
I don't think there's another unicorn in all of Equestria. There's another unicorn in all of Equestria.
Haven't you heard the new unicorn in town?
Yeah, they say that she's
Papa went alone in the vault and 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 alone in the vault and
Putting it towards that.
Better. You know, a little glitter. Hey, those. I'll bet this doesn't happen the other half of the week. I'll bet this doesn't happen the other half of the week. I'll bet this doesn't happen the other half of the week. I'll bet this doesn't happen the other. Better. You know, a little glitter doesn't happen the.
Matches are yours, pal. And you're not leaving here. You're gonna be alive until they're done. Don't think I'm cool.
I got news for you, Dad. If you have to say that you're cool, you're not. News for you, Dad. If you have to.
That's true.
For work, hot wiring and other unauthorized attempts to start the engine are